Hello and welcome. I will be showing you my family's garden, so sit back, relax, and you may even learn a few things along the way. Let's get started. Whenever me or my family ever eats fruit like bananas, we always like to recycle the banana peel. Later on, we will take these leftovers to make a fertilizer for the soil that we use for our plants. It is very effective and saves us a lot of money. Here's our front yard. Let's take a closer look at all of the plants and herbs in this area. The first thing in our front yard is a pomegranate tree. This tree is able to produce a fruit called pomegranate. The fruit is hard on the outside, but has many seeds on the inside. It is quite messy too. Here's our natural border. As you can see, we let leaves grow over this gate. Here we have our planter that we worked on last year. It contains rosemary, dill, mint, sage, and sweet onions. Rosemary is used as a herb for food flavoring. It is also used for decoration and as a traditional medicine. Right here we have an apple tree. It produces a fruit called an apple, but I bet you probably already knew that. Next to our apple tree is our pear tree. We usually use pears for making pies. Pears are a good source of fibers, antioxidants, and vitamin C. We also have rosemary in this trellis, along with a mix of mint. Mint is used in toothpaste flavor, some mouthwashes, and in mint candies like peppermint, lifesavers gum, and candy canes. Here is our fig tree. A fig has potassium, protein, vitamin C, and other vitamins. Next to our fig tree is a plum tree. As you can see, there is one growing right now. This plant is used to make horseradish. Horseradish is a kind of sauce used on certain foods. The two planters you see here have lavender, mint, and basil in it. Lavender is used for many things. It is used for its aroma and for its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic values. It is also used in teas and some food recipes. Nearby our planters is a guava tree. These trees produce a tropical fruit called guava. This fruit is used in many juices, fruit bars, and spices. Guava contains dietary fibers, folic acid, and vitamin C. Here we have a kumquat tree. It produces a fruit called kumquat and looks very similar to oranges. We are now going to walk over to another set of planters, go into the greenhouse, and then end off this tour with the backyard. In these containers we have nutrient-enhanced soil that we made using leaves, banana peels, and other natural items. We put dirt inside the container with the biodegradable nutrients and stirred it up. Finally, we put the dirt in these containers. Currently, there are potatoes and onions that are growing in here. In this planter are cucumber seeds. Cucumbers are one of the best vegetables to use in salads. We are almost in the backyard, but there are a few more things to look at. First, here is a raspberry shrub. It will usually make raspberries during the summer. Here is our greenhouse. It has chives, dill, and basil in it. Here we are, the backyard garden. First, let me show you our green beans and some potatoes that are growing in the blue bins. In these white containers over here are onions that are currently growing. This is our prized possession. It is an Asian pear tree and grows a type of pear found in Oriental countries. Right next to it is our pond. It helps to grow plants around it and has a few fish in it. Over here is where we collect rainwater to use for giving plants water. It is a really good way to save money since the rainwater is absolutely free. And finally, here's the last thing I will show you. These bushes over here are growing one of our favorite fruits, blueberries. Thank you for visiting our garden. Hopefully you learned a few things. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos just like this.